Hello friends, I am Chintan Joshi from Nalanda Vidyalay, Virpur Morbi, and in the subject Business Studies, we are discussing about chapter number 2, Principles of Management, and we are discussing topic Value-Based Questions or Case Studies. Here is a slide for the new topic, new case and new example. Just go through the slide and read carefully. In this example, I have already bifurcated paragraphs. So read carefully the case study, holding the slide. Now see the questions. As we have discussed in the earlier part, tips how to solve the case studies or value-based questions. I have already guided that always see the questions first while solving the case study and analyze what actually asked to you in the case studies. Then according to the questions, try to read the case study paragraph, try to analyze the case study paragraph and solve your question by underlining the portion in the paragraph with pencil. So go through the questions carefully. Again I am putting the main slide of your case study part. Now see the case study part and read carefully again. After seeing the questions, now you can come to certain idea about your answers from the case study paragraph. So let me discuss about the story. This case study is all about a Shiva Limited, where there are two different managers, and story is about these two different managers. First manager of Shiva Limited from the production department is Mr. Vijay. Mr. Vijay is forcing the workers to work for a long working hours without any rest period or break, and because of his behavior his employees are not satisfied. His employees, due to continuously work in the organization, cannot give their best outcomes, and that's why productivity goes down. Analyzing this all situation, management thinks that let me replace this manager Mr. Ajay with another manager named Mr. Vijay. Mr. Vijay is MBA candidate, completing his MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. He applied scientific management techniques in the organization. He started to providing rest time period for the worker so that worker can recharge themselves and energizing during the break. Worker can give maximum contribution to the organization, and slowly and gradually organization becomes more productive. This is all about the case study, and in this case study we have learned about a topic scientific management and its technique. So let me discuss the questions and answer. Question number 1. Name and explain the technique of scientific management adopted by Mr. Vijay. Mr. Vijay is another manager, production manager, who have passed out his MBA from IIM Ahmedabad and who applied scientific management techniques. So we have to give the name. Mr. Vijay have applied fatigue study of scientific management technique. In the fatigue study, Fayol stated that for effective and efficient completion of tasks, workers must get rest at regular intervals to regain stamina to work again and to re-energize themselves. The fatigue study seeks to determine the amount and frequency of rest intervals a worker must get while completing a task. So, answer to the first question, technique used by the Mr. Vijay is fatigue study, and explanation of Taylor, what Taylor says about fatigue study. Question number 2. He further desired to find out the best way of doing a job. Suggest to him the technique of scientific management. Over here we have to give only the suggestion to Mr. Vijay with which technique he can do his job in a better way, and the name of the technique is method study. Over here question is asked to have best way of doing the job. Best way of doing a job is a keyword to recall the technique given in the scientific management, and the technique name is method study. Question number 3. State the values emphasized by allowing small pauses to workers. यहाँ पर हमें पूछा जा रहा है कि कौन सी ऐसी वैल्यूज़ है जो वर्कर्स को अगर हम ब्रेक देते हैं तो यहाँ पर एम्फेसाइज की जाएगी, अलो की जाएगी. These values are number 1 respect toward workers. हम ऐसा समझते हैं, मैनेजमेंट ऐसा जानता है, समझता है कि वर्कर्स भी इंसान हैं, उनको रेस्ट देना चाहिए. दे आर नॉट मशीन्स, एंड दिस वे मैनेजमेंट इज रिस्पेक्टिंग टूवर्ड वर्कर्स. सेकंड वन, फॉलोइंग द रूल ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी. यहाँ पर ह्यूमैनिटी की वैल्यूज़ को भी एम्फेसाइज किया जाता है. आफ्टर ऑल these workers are human beings, they are not machines. Third one is showing beliefs in equality. ऐसा भी यहाँ पर जाना जाता है कि सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ जो है वो एक समान है, चाहे वो मैनेजर हो या वर्कर. ऑल आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू द मैनेजमेंट. एंड लास्ट वन इज़ कंसर्न फॉर एम्प्लॉयज़ वेलफेयर. देखो हम यहाँ पर ब्रेक प्रोवाइड करेंगे या रेस्ट इंटरवल्स देंगे तो यहाँ पर हम एम्प्लॉयज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं, उनके भले के लिए, उनके अच्छे के लिए हम यहाँ पर सोचते हैं. वी आर कंसर्न फॉर देयर बेटरमेंट एंड वेलफेयर. सो फ्यू वैल्यूज़ दैट कैन बी लिस्ट आउट फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ और केस स्टडी. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. Case study from the topic scientific management techniques. Still, please refer this topic from the discussion we have discussed in the video as well as from your book and reference book. With new topic and new case study, we will meet again. Thank you.